we are going to discuss how to multiply a decimal by a decimal. Okay, now the trick of multiplying a decimal by a decimal is that you've got to remove the decimal point, multiply the two numbers as the normal way we multiply numbers. Then at the end of the day, you now check the number of decimal places. For example, in the first one, we'll have 2.56 multiplied by 0.06. Just call it 256. Ignore the decimal point. Then this one, call it 006. Ignore the decimal point also. Then let's multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. You write 6 carry 3. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 3, 33. You write 3 carry 3. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. You have 15. Then use 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And 0 times 2 is 0. Use the next 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And 0 times 2 is 0. I want you to observe one thing here. You see that when I finish multiplying with 6, I gave one space. I didn't write the 0 from here. When I started using the second 0, I didn't write anything here. I gave one space. That is the I there. So now, you add up, bring down 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. Then bring down this particular 0. Okay, so now to get your answer, you check how many decimal places are here. Begin from the point and count. 1, 2. How many are here? 1, 2. So have 2 plus 2, a total of 4 decimal points. So begin from the back, count to 1, 2, 3, 4. You count 4 because this one contains 2, while this one contains 2. So 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So the point should be here. So our answer is now 0.1536. This is the product of 2.56 and 0.06 without using calculator. For the second question, we'll have 30.25 times 0.006. If you can see, the number of digits here are 5, while this one is 4. It is wise to first of all write the number with the larger digit. So we call it 00006, ignoring the point. Why this one is 3025. Then you multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. You write 0 carry 3. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 3. You have 3. 5 times this 0 is 0. 5 times this 0 is 0. And 5 times this 0 is still 0. You use 2. 2 times 6 is 12. You write 2 carry 1. Remember, give one space. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times this 0 is also 0. Now I begin with this 0. 0 times 6 is 0. Remember, you give one space. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. And 0 times 0 is 0. Then you use 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Give one space. Write 8 carry 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1. You have 1. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 0 is 0. Then add up. Bring down 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 plus 8 will give us 8. 0 plus 1 will give us 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. We are done with the multiplication. Now let's check the number of decimal places. This one, the point is here, so you count 1, 2. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 and the 4. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6. Hence, there are 6 decimal places here. Begin from here to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put your point here. So when you put your point here, since this is 0, this particular 0 is insignificant, you can cancel it out. Even if you leave it, it doesn't affect the result. They are still equivalent. Hence, the answer is 0.018150. If you want, say, this last 0 is still insignificant, you can cancel it out so that our answer, properly written, will now be 0.01815. This is now the solution to this second product. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Esomnofu Online Math. Thank you so much.